Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I ride to a friend of mine where I forgot my water bottle when I went on a road trip with him, or a day trip. We went to Mantova and I forgot my water bottle in his car. So yeah, I'm going to retrieve it now. So right now is also a few weeks after the Iranian war in the Middle East. So the fuel prices have gotten a lot higher, and that's why I ride in road mode, and I need to save up a little bit of fuel. Obviously I still want to ride it, but I'm going around in road mode. Right now the sun should set behind me, so the weather is really good, and I have for the first time ND16 filter on my camera. I have the K&F concept, or KNC, or how it's called. I just received it today, so I don't know whether or not this will look good. I hope it looks good. If yes, I will recommend this video. So this is the first test video with the K&F ND filters. Let's see, 179 and 194. Like, yeah, the fuel got a bit more expensive than it used to be, but it's not a crazy degree of more expensiveness. So yeah, we have a riding school in front of us. He doesn't know what he's doing. Oh, a lot of carabinieri. What the hell? Why are there so many? Even more now. What the? Am I even recording here? And in today's video I wanted to talk a little bit about what I will do going forward now. You know what, let's just surpass these. So in today's video I don't really have any sort of plan. I just ride around and look a little bit what's going to happen. I will look backwards, and no, the sun is still high. It's already 4 o'clock in the afternoon, almost 16 o'clock. And yeah, are you in a region where you say AM and PM, or is it always 4 PM, 4 o'clock, and you just say afternoon? And or are you in the system that goes from 0 to 24 o'clock? Here in Europe it's actually normal to be in the 24-hour system. It's common, but you still say when it's afternoon, you still say it's 4 o'clock, but you know it's in the afternoon. So yeah, today is a lot of police. I don't know what's happening today, but I don't like it when there's so much police. Right now, while I'm riding, I'm actually thinking that maybe ND16 would be a little bit too much, since where I'm going now the sun isn't that present, so I hope the quality will not get too noisy, or the video. And yeah, actually from one of my last videos where I talked about why South Tyrol hates tourists, you see that tower here? This tower is actually called Ferrari Tower, and it's a tower where there are a lot of residential suites, and these are meant to be for students and young workers, and they are always a one-bedroom apartment, so quite small, but here it's all inclusive. So if you live there, you pay a little bit more, I believe for a room it's like 700-800 euros, but you get full help. Like you get a gym, you get a swimming pool. There are people that come to clean your apartment and do your laundry for you, and that's all inclusive. There are also towels and various products you can use, and it's all inclusive in the price you pay. So that's a great thing, in my opinion. Nice. Now there are two ways to get to Gummer. There is one through a little bit of a forest, which I might do right now, and there's one that goes through a little bit more of the tunnel side, and I will do the more scenic now, but it's also the one that lasts or takes a little bit longer. So maybe I will divide this video into 2 parts. So now this was the first part, and if you're interested to see where I'm going now, watch the next video. Have a great one. Bye. If you're interested to see how this trip goes, click on the next video at the bottom right.